It was the Arab Spring that changed the very character of armed conflict this year. The upheavals throughout the Middle East and North Africa, in Tunisia, Egypt, and of course Libya demanded a range of international responses, from sanctions to NATO-led airstrikes and intervention, to the Arab League's first ever peace mission to Syria. The report, which assesses the current state of international security from 172 countries, said that the Arab Spring demonstrated the growing complexity of armed conflict. And when it comes to weapons of mass destruction, the nuclear club is still reluctant to give up its deterrent. Findings show the number of nuclear weapons held by the United States, UK, France, China, India, Pakistan and Israel has gone down by 1,500 in the last year. The reduction is mainly due to Russia and the US getting rid of old and obsolete weaponry. But at the same time, China, France, Russia, the US and UK are deploying new nuclear weapons or have announced programs to do so. It was the global economic crisis that resulted in a cut in military spending in Europe as part of ongoing austerity measures. But in Russia, defense spending rose by nearly 10%, making it the third largest military spender worldwide. While China continued to expand its defense budget, up this year by another 6%, an increase in military spending of $8.2 billion. Peter Sharp, Al Jazeera.